Hello everyone, in today's lab we will solve streaming data to BigQuery. What we will do in lab, first we will create a big table instance. After that we will create a table and we will stream data using the data flow pipeline from the PubSub to big table. After that we will verify that our streaming data loaded into big table or not. After that we will stop our streaming job and we will delete big table data. So let's start. So what is a big table? Big table is Google's fully managed scalable NoSQL database service. Big table is ideal for storing large amount of data in a key value store and for use cases such as personalization, ad tech, financial tech, digital media and IoT. Bigtable supports high read and write throughputs at low latency for fast access to large amount of data for processing and analytics. So let's start the lab. I log in into the Google console. Let's activate our cloud cell. We will create Bigtable using the command line. This is command for creating a Bigtable instance. gcloud Bigtable instance is create. Here instance name. After that display name, whatever you want to display your instance name. This is cluster storage type. It can be SSD or HDD, and cluster config ID is our this, and we will specify zone and how many nodes you want in a cluster. We will simply copy it and paste it here. Authorize. I am getting error in this command that resources exhausted, so I simply creating using the Google console. I already filled the name and SSD type and cluster ID and everything. If you are also getting error, then create by console. Let's create it. If you want to connect your big table, then you will need to store you will need to configure your cbtrc file with the project id and instance id. So let's copy it and paste it. As you can see that in cbtrc file project and instance name is saved. Let's create a table. cbt create table name and family. In column families, name will be lane. It is created. Click on check my progress. We need to simulate streaming traffic sensor data into PubSub. So they created a VM named training VM. We will do SSH in that VM, and we will download code repository of this file. After that we will save the project id and bucket id. They also created a bucket. We need to store these values in project env.ssh. After that we will use sensor underscore magic file to start the streaming data simulator. So let's copy and paste it. Go to compute engine, click on SSH, And also this script will read sample data from a CSV file and publish it to the pub sub. I clone the git repo. After that I initialize project id in project environment.ssh also, and also the bucket. After that I streaming this data into the pub sub. As you can see, our assessment completed. Now we need to create a new SSH connection. Go to SSH, click here and click on here, use another SSH connection. Click here and new connection. Click on connect. After that we will again initialize project id and bucket name in project.env.sh. Copy it and paste it. Go to this directory, copy it, paste it. This command will read from the pub sub and write into Bigtable. If you want to verify that from PubSub to Bigtable data is transferred or not using the data flow, then run this. What will this command do? It will read from this table till 5 count and from the lane column family and every column. Paste it here. Go to Cloud Cell and paste command here. It is showing nothing. I think there was some problem while creating it. Actually this API was not enabled. If you are also facing this problem, go to the pipelines and from here you can enable this. Now you can see that till 5 count we got information about the Bigtable. So now we have to do our last step to stop streaming jobs and delete Bigtable. If you want to terminate SSH connection, simply write Ctrl C. It will disconnect, remove it. After that it is already disconnected. Go to the data flow in job section, click on this job, that click stop. If you want to delete table, then run this command, and if you want to delete Bigtable instance, so gcloud Bigtable instance delete. This is our instance name and this is our table name. Just copy and paste it. By command line it is not working, so I need to go to direct console and delete from there. Click on your table instance. After that go to overview section and delete instance from here. Paste this here and delete, and check my progress. We have successfully completed this lab.